Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to export design as high quality PDF in GetStencils. Exporting design as high quality PDF in GetStencil is a great way to ensure that your design maintain their quality for printing or sharing as professional documents. However, GetStencil does not offer direct support for exporting PDF. Instead, you can follow a workaround to ensure you get the best quality for your design. First of all, log into your GetStencil's account and create a design. Use the platform design tool to finalize your design. Make sure everything is aligned and your design is ready for export. After finalizing your design, click on download button. Choose the PNG or JPEG format. After that, click on start download button. Since GetStencil doesn't directly support PDF exports, you will need to convert a high quality PNG or JPG image into a PDF. Here's how to do it. Open a new tab and type in ilovepdf.com. Here, you can convert your JPG or PNG file into a PDF format. Go to Convert PDF tool and select JPG to PDF. Now, select the image you just downloaded. After that, click on Convert to PDF button and click on Download. Here you can see that your image has been downloaded as a PDF file. Open the PDF and zoom in to ensure the quality remains high and the resolution is clear. While GetStencil does not directly support exporting designs as PDF, you can easily convert high-quality PNG or JPG file into PDF using online converters. This ensures that your design maintains their integrity and resolution when sharing or printing. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.